Good evening to all of here presented, respected sir, students and all the participants in the chemistry quiz. Today we will conduct a chemistry quiz in which several questions asked and those give the more right answer who will be the winner. Let us first introduce the one by one. What is the name of your
My name is Sadhya Singh from Standard 10th.
next one?
Myself, Pami Patel from grade 10.
This is Vaishnavi from Standard 10.
Okay, next.
My name is Pujaran Sarif from Standard 10.
My name is Sachin Patel of Standard 10.
Myself Rashid Akhtar from Standard 10.
Okay, there are some rules in the quiz. First, I will explain what is the rule of this quiz. If you give the right answer, then you will got a 4 marks. If you wrong answer, then you will deducted the -1. If you pass the question, then you cannot deducted any marks and simply forward to the next one. And he will get the answer, then he will got a 4 marks. And if he gave the wrong answer, then deducted the -1. If suppose one student give the answer of wrong and then pass, then give the 2 marks on the right and deduct the 1 marks. Now we will start the today's quiz. Welcome. Our first question is our student. What is the right answer of this question?
Magnesium ribbon is burnt in an atmosphere of nitrogen gas to form solid magnesium nitride. This is a
dash example of in this 4 question option. You will give the right answer.
combination reaction.
Okay, C is the right answer and he got the 4 marks. Next one goes to the Pami. Question says, what is the following statement about the given reaction is R? There are 4 statements in which iron metal is getting oxidized, water is getting reduced, water is acting as a reducing agent, and water is acting as a oxidizing agent, in which there are 4 options are given, in which is more appropriate.
C.
Okay, iron is the metal getting oxidized. Iron, what is the oxidation number of iron is 0, and in which Fe is the FeO and Fe2O3. So plus 4, then Fe is got a oxidation. So iron is getting oxidized. Yes, yeah. What is the option your?
C.
C. Yes. And water is reduced. H plus 1 and 0. Okay, right answer is the C, and he got a 4 marks. Next question for the Vaishnavi. What is the answer? I will read this. If copper is kept open in air, it slowly lose its shining brown surface and gain a green coating. It is due to the formation of.
Option number A.
No, your answer is wrong. Next goes to pass. Simply we will follow the circular round.
Option number D.
No, your answer is wrong. Next one.
Sir, option number C.
Okay, your answer is right, but after one passing you will not get marks. He one got -1 and Vaishnavi got -1. Okay, right answer is the copper nitrate. Next one too. Silver article become black on prolonged exposed to air. This is due to the formation of
सर नीचे कीजिए थोड़ा सा नीचे ऑप्शन नंबर बी
option number D.
बी बी
B. No, this is the not right answer. Next one,
ऑप्शन नंबर
Sachin.
बी, ऑप्शन नंबर डी,
Option number
डी.
D.
हाँ.
Not our option number D. Right is the Ag2S, and this is the right answer because after the Ag, silver is react with the sulfur, then its color will become a blackish. Okay, तो यहाँ पे got a minus. Okay, and next question to Sachin. I will read first. What type of chemical reaction does the reaction belongs to? A piece of sodium metal is added to absolute ethanol to form a sodium ethoxide and hydrogen gas. There are 4 options in which is correct.
सर ऑप्शन नंबर डी.
Option number D. Okay. What type of chemical reaction does the chemical reaction belongs? A piece of sodium metal is added absolute ethanol to form sodium ethoxide and hydrogen gas. This is the displacement reaction. Yes, it is your answer is right, and he got a 4 marks. Next question to this one. Balance this the question. You can write the equation and simply balance it. And what is the correct option? Please give me the answer.
Option number D.
No, this is the not right answer of option number D. Next one.
Option number C.
Option number C is also not a right answer. Right answer is the B. You can solve 1, Fe is 1, 2 here and 2. So right answer is the B. Next question to the, I will read first. Calcium oxide reaction with the water is regarded as a exothermic. A student mixes these two products in the test tube and touches each side surface. Which of the following statement is correctly describe the student observation? You can give the answer in 4 options.
B. Option number B.
Okay, yes, your turn.
Option number B.
Okay. Calcium oxide reaction with water is regarded as a exothermic. A student mixes these two products in a test tube and touch its side surface. The test tube become hot due to release of heat energy. Yes, your answer is right. And the next question to the Pammi. Which one is a double displacement reaction? Option A is BaCl2 plus Na2SO4, BaSO4 plus 2NaCl. Option B, calcium oxide plus H2O is equal to calcium hydroxide. And option C, PbNO3. Okay, your answer is the right. You got a 4 marks. And next one to the Vaishnavi. Here is the option. Which of the following are exothermic process?
Sir, I did to the Pammi, not to me.
ओके इसमें 4 नंबर ऐड होगा, पम्मी में अपने ऐड कर।
डिडक्ट होगा Pammi.
अभी पम्मी का राइट था ना,
Pammi नहीं थी, वो मैं थी।
इसका आंसर आप दी थी।
नहीं, मेरा ही आंसर था, ये पहले बोल दी थी। हम बोलने वाले थे तो
फर्स्ट आपको दिए ही, फिर पम्मी का भी ना भी।
अब पम्मी
8 होगा, मतलब 8 आएगा मेरा।
आपका कितना हो गया? 8।
7 होगा।
ओके,
चलिए पम्मी है।
आपने आंसर भी दिया था ना,
हाँ अभी दिया है।
तो
ऐड वो सर ज़्यादा ऐड।
अच्छा डबल हो गया था।
मेरा
ओके,
7।
this question for Vaishnavi. Okay, which of the following are exothermic process? Reaction of water with quicklime, dilution of an acid, evaporation of water, sublimation of camphor crystal. And the option is here 1 and 2, B is 2 and 3, C is 1 and 4, and D is the 3rd and 4th.
Option number A 1 and 2.
1 and 2. This is the exothermic. Yes, your answer is the right. And option reaction of water is the quicklime is the exothermic, and dilution of an acid is the exothermic reaction. Okay, next one. Which of the statement about the reaction below are incorrect? Lead oxide react with the carbon and Pb plus CO2. Lead is getting reduced. Second one, carbon dioxide is getting oxidized. Third one, carbon is getting oxidized. And fourth one is the lead oxide is getting reduced. Here is the 4 option. Which one is correct? Please give me the answer.
ऑप्शन नंबर ए।
Option number A. Incorrect statement. Please read.
साक्स ऑप्शन नंबर डी।
Option number D. No, your answer is wrong. Next one to Sachin.
Sir, option number D.
Option number
D.
D. Here is the asking incorrect statement, not a correct statement.
Option number C.
Okay, but I will not give you answer, but your marks is the -1 because I will give a hint. You first answer the D. This is the wrong answer.
सर मेरा -1 होगा।
आपका नहीं हुआ सर, इनका माइनस हिंट दे दिए थे उन्होंने, जो है गलत पढ़ा था। ठीक है, ओके, नेक्स्ट वन सचिन।
सर थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन नीचे करिए, लाइट चमक रहा है।
You can adjust this one, see some an angle, then you can see this question. I will read this one, then you can read. Solid calcium oxide react vigorously with water to form a calcium hydroxide accompanied by the liberation of heat. This process is called slacking of line. calcium hydroxide dissolve in water to form its solution called lime water. Which the following is are true about the slacking of lime and the solution form? Option, and there is the four statement. It is an endothermic reaction. Second one is it is the exothermic reaction. Third one is the pH of resulting solution will be more than 7, and here is the four option. Which one is the correct? Sachin, turn.
Sir, option number B.
Option number B. Second one. It is a exothermic reaction, and third one, the pH of resulting solution will be more than 7. Yes, your answer is the right. You got a 4 marks. Next one to this one. I will read first. An example of combination reaction between two element is. Option is the formation of limestone, formation of sulfur trioxide, C, formation of water, formation of carbon dioxide from carbon monoxide and oxygen.
Option number C.
Okay, very good. Your answer is the right. Formation of water is the right one answer. And next goes to the number of reactant in the decomposition reaction is.
1.
Okay, yes, your answer is the right. In decomposition reaction, only one reactant will be there. And next goes to the PAMI. What is the CH3 methanol react with the acetic acid, give a CH3COO CH3 plus H2O. This reaction is the example of.
B.
Okay.
Photolytic decomposition reaction.
Okay, very good. It is the right answer, photolytic decomposition of reaction. Yes, your answer is the right. Balanced molar relationship. The balanced molar relationship for the reaction given below. Vaishnavi, this is your turn. Give the answer.
एक बार क्वेश्चन रीड कर दीजिए.
Okay, the balanced molar relationship for the reaction given below is one equation is given H2O2 and H2O2 plus O2. Simply you can balance it and then give the answer. Which one is the correct in 4 options?
Option number D.
Option number D. I will check first it. Here is the 4 hydrogen and here is the 2 hydrogen. No, your answer is the wrong. And next one to the
Option number D.
option number D. Let's check. 2 hydrogen means 4 hydrogen. Here is the 2. No. Oh, okay, sorry. Your option is D. And what is the you say?
Option number D.
Okay.
Sir,
You
B.
also. Your answer is.
B.
First check. I will 2, and here is the 4, and here is the. Sorry. Vaishnavi is the right answer. Okay. I will read E. Okay. Next one is the question number 16. Reaction between calcium oxide and water is dash reaction for use. A treatment of mercury oxide with the strong heat dash reaction.
Option number A.
Option number A. Reaction of calcium oxide and water is the dash reaction. Reaction of calcium oxide and water is dash reaction, and treatment of mercuric oxide. No, your answer is wrong. What is your answer? A. No, your answer is the wrong. Next goes to C. Okay, we will check the first. The reaction of calcium oxide and water is the combination reaction, and the treatment of mercuric oxide with the strong heat is the decomposition reaction. Yes, your answer is the right. Next question goes to the Sachin. Please give the answer. Identify the product which will be formed by using the information provided about reactant. Here is the 5 option, and you can explain which one is the correct.
Option number A.
Option number A. Okay, your answer is the right. CaF2 and H2O is the form. Sachin is the right answer. He got a 4 marks. Next, balanced chemical equation is amplified. Which of the following number of molecules are conserved in chemical exchange? Number of atoms are conserved in chemical change. Mass is conserved in chemical change.
Option number C.
Option number C. Second and third. Number of atoms are conserved in chemical change, and mass conserved in the chemical change. Yes, your answer is the right. You got a 4 marks. Next question to the a chemical change involves the formation of new substance with properties different from those of the reactant. Which among following is not a chemical change?
Option number B.
No.
C.
Okay, right answer is the C. Your answer is the wrong. Pammi got a 1 marks. Next, for the Pammi, analyze the chemical reagent and the suggest container for storing them. Which one is the proper containing of this compound? You can explain with the option. AgNO3 in a copper vessel, copper sulfate in a silver vessel, and C is the option of copper nitrate in a iron container, and D is the H2SO4 in aluminum vessel. Here is the 4 option. A, B, C and D is here. You can give the answer which one is the correct. In which container we will put this compound according to this.
C. A and C.
Answer is the C.
Sorry. No. Sir, एक और नीचे ऑप्शन होगा.
Here is the option D.
A, B and C.
A and B and C. Question is asking which of the following combination are not recommended. Which
Not recommended.
not recommended.
D.
D. A.
Not recommended मतलब कि
हाँ.
वो उसमें नहीं आएगा ना.
यानी कि कौन सा जिसको आपका मतलब जो रिएक्शन हो जाएगा जो कि आपका नहीं होना चाहिए, आप उसको सजेस्ट करोगे कि वे जो रिएक्शन जो
D होगा.
okay, let first we check AgNO3. Here is the Ag and copper reactivity high, so this one is the correct. Copper and silver, and copper, here is the silver reactivity is less from the copper, it means B is the wrong. Your answer is the wrong. Next goes to the Vaishnavi.
Option number C.
Option number C. Okay. Check the first. AgNO3 is the correct. B is the incorrect. And C, copper nitrate in iron container. Iron is the in the above of the series. So it also react with copper nitrate. Your answer is the wrong. I will suggest asking for the students, those who are here, please give me the anyone answer. Option number A. B, AgNO3 is the copper vessel, and this one is the correct. Copper sulfate, this one is the not. A right answer is the B, C and D. Not suggested asking. So next one goes to the which turn? I think your turn. Okay. Next question is the asking, melting of ice is an endothermic process. Statement 2, freezing of water is the exothermic process. Here option A is the both statement 1 and 2 are the correct, and statement 2 is the correct reason for 1. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct, but statement 2 is the not the correct reason for 1, and statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Both statement 1 and 2 are incorrect. Which option is the appropriate according to the statement 1 and statement 2?
Option number D.
Option number D, melting of ice. No, your answer is wrong. Next goes to the Sachin.
Sir, option number A.
Option number A. Yes, right answer. This is the both statement 1 and 2 are correct, and the statement is 2 is the correct explanation for 1. He got a 1 marks. Next, magnesium burn in air with the dazzling white flame, and the reaction may be represented as.
Sir, combination reaction. A, option number.
No, you are on. Okay. State D. Both statement are incorrect. Melting of ice is a endothermic. Yes, you give the energy, then melt ice. मेल्टिंग ऑफ आइस यानी कि आप हीट दोगे तभी तो वो मेल्ट करेगा. फ्रीजिंग जो है एक्सोथर्मिक एनर्जी बाहर निकलेगा तभी तो वो जमेगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट योर आंसर इज द रॉन्ग. नेक्स्ट
Option number D.
option number D. D is the right option. Next goes to the 23. Yes, your turn. Which is the reducing agent in the thermite reaction carried out for the repairing of the railway track? Option A is the iron oxide. Option B is the aluminium metal. C is the aluminium oxide. D is the iron metal. एक मार्क्स मिलेगा इनको.
एक मार्क्स
हाँ,
चार देने से.
नहीं वो ठीक है, उन्होंने गलत जवाब दिया था.
सर मैंने भी इसका गलती जो था ना.
हाँ, मिल गया था आपको.
नहीं मिला है.
मिल गया
हाँ,
सारा मार्क्स.
मिल गया है.
फिर से कटा है ना.
सर चार ही दे रहे हैं सर.
हाँ,
Aluminium metal. Option number B.
option number B. Which is the reducing agent in the thermite reaction? What is the reaction of thermite reaction?
Fe2O3 plus aluminium, it will react to
Okay.
Al2O3 plus Fe is poured out.
Here Al2 oxidation number is 3 and he goes to the Fe2O3 aluminium oxide is 0 and goes to the plus 3. Here aluminium is the oxidation. But here asking, what is the asking reducing agent in the thermite reaction? What is your answer?
Aluminium metal.
Okay, aluminum metal.
Reduce. जो oxidize हो रहा है वो reduce होगा.
Okay, yes, your answer is the right answer. B is the right one. Aluminum metal is the reducing agent. He got a 4 marks. Next one is the your turn. Direction. Analyze the given chemical change and select the correct option in the relation to the reaction. Barium hydroxide react with the ammonium chloride, form the BaCl2 and ammonia and water. What is the correct option for this one? This reaction is endothermic. B is the precipitate is formed. C, the reaction is the exothermic. There is change in color.
So pass.
Okay, next goes to the Pammi.
Pass.
Next.
There is change in color.
No, your answer is wrong. -1. Next goes to the
Option number B.
option number B. Yes, your answer is the right. B is the right one. Precipitate is formed in a form of BaCl2. Next goes to the which one? Pammi. Okay. What happens when the potassium iodide solution is added to a solution of lead nitrate? Option A is the white precipitate of lead iodide is formed. Yellow precipitate of lead iodide is formed. C, red precipitate of lead iodide is formed. And D, black precipitate of lead iodide is formed.
D. Yellow precipitate of
Okay,
lead.
yes, your answer is the right. B is the correct option. Yellow precipitate of lead iodide is formed. Next one, for Vaishnavi, the chemical reaction and its corresponding observation feature are listed below. Here, match from the here to here. A, change in the temperature, evolution of gas, formation of a precipitate. D, change in a color. Here is the randomly there are given question answer and you can correct one. Here is the option.
7th क्लास के बाद वो फॉर्म है. What is the answer of this question, Pammi?
Option number.
No. I think turn is. Achha, okay, sorry. Your turn.
Option number A.
Option number A. Change in temperature is the zinc granule reacted with the dilute sulfuric acid. Change in temperature. This is the sorry. Your answer is wrong. What is the right answer?
Option number C.
Option number C. Option number C. Evolution of gas. Here is the B is the
correct answer.
okay. Option number C is the correct. You got a 1 mark. Next one goes to the you. Consider the following hypothetical reaction and fill in the blank choosing the correct option. This is the hypothetical reaction, in which according to this reaction, which one is the correct option?
Option number D.
Option number D. Okay, let us first check. In the given chemical reaction, all bond are dash are broken. Here is the okay Y and Z, okay, and X and Z. No, your answer D. Your answer is D. You got a negative marks. This is the not a right answer. Next, Sachin. If you do not know, then you can pass simply it. If you know, then you can give the answer. What is the correct option of this question?
Sir, option number C.
Option number C. Y and Z are broken, yes, and formation of X and Y, yes. Your answer is the right. Right one is the C. Y and Z are broken, and जो है X and Y is the form combined. Next one for Sachin. On adding phenolphthalein indicator to a colorless solution, no change is observed. What is the nature of this solution?
Sir, option number C.
Option number C. Yes, your answer is the right. In acidic medium and neutral medium, there is no change of the phenolphthalein.
पिछले वाले क्वेश्चन का नंबर नहीं मिला. पिछले वाला इसका राइट जो बताया है, इसका जो राइट पास किया है क्वेश्चन, जो रॉन्ग बोला है,
एक नंबर सर उसको ऐड कर दीजिएगा.
चलिए 7 रहेगा.
19 था ना सर?
सर इसका एक रॉन्ग, एक अभी जो मेरा राइट हुआ.
वो सर 4 नहीं मिल रहा है सबका.
अच्छा,
ये एक रॉन्ग है.
okay. Metal generally react with the dilute acid to produce hydrogen gas. Okay. Metal generally react with the dilute acid to produce hydrogen gas. Which one of the following metal does not react with the dilute hydrochloric acid? Option A is the magnesium, B is the iron, C is the aluminum, D is the copper.
Option number C.
No, your answer is the wrong. Next one.
बंद कर रहे हैं.
आपने गलत आंसर दिया था ना. हाँ, योर टर्न. व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन?
D.
Okay, yes, your answer is the right. D is the right. Next, for your turn, equal volume of solution containing 1 mole of an acid and 1 mole of base respectively mixed. Which of the mixture will give pH more than 7? Asking question. which have the pH value is the more than 7, means basic nature.
B potassium hydroxide.
No, this is
इसका है
yes. Okay, what is the answer? Pami.
B potassium hydroxide.
No, potassium hydroxide and sulfuric acid is the wrong answer. He got a -1 mark of this. He simply pass it. Vaishnavi, what is the answer of this question?
Vikrant, Vikrant. Class 4 के Vikrant.
Option number D.
No, this is the not a right answer. Right answer is the sodium hydroxide and acidic nature. Means weak acid and strong base give the pH value of more than 7. -1 marks. Next question to the this one. Column 1 and column 2 are given, in which some compounds here given, and here is the name. Which one is the correct option for according to the this option?
Option number B.
No, your answer is wrong.
ऑप्शन नंबर ए.
No, your answer is also wrong. Right option is the D. Na2CO3 is the soda ash, and Na2CO3 dot 10H2 is the washing soda. You got both -1 marks. Right answer is the D. Next question to the Sachin. Your turn. When kept in the open air, the crystal of washing soda lose 9 molecules of water to form a monohydrate. In which here is the 4 options are given. Which one is the correct?
ऑप्शन नंबर सी.
Option number C. No.
Sir, option number B.
No. Option number C and B are both are wrong. Right one is the efflorescence. When not 100% water molecules removed, then this process is known as the efflorescence. Both got a -1 marks. Next one is the barium hydroxide. Your turn. Barium hydroxide in an alkali, it react with the hydrochloric acid. How does the pH of the hydrochloric acid and change as an excess of aqueous barium hydroxide is added?
Option number D.
Okay, yes, your answer is the right answer is the D, because barium hydroxide is an alkali, it react with the hydrochloric acid. It means initially hydrochloric acid is present, and if you add it, then pH is increases from 1 to 14. Next, your turn. Turmeric is a natural indicator. On adding its paste to acid and base separately, which color would be observed? Option A is the yellow in both acid and base. B, yellow in acid and red in base. C, pink in acid and yellow in base. D, red in acid and blue in base.
D.
Red in acid and blue in base. No, your answer is wrong.
B.
Okay, yes. Right answer is the B, yellow in acid and red in base. Okay. Next, Pammi, your turn. Why does baking soda and vinegar react with each other?
Decompose each other. B.
No, this one is the wrong answer. What is the Vaishnavi answer of this question?
Option number A.
Very good. Yes, your answer is the right. To neutralize each other, because baking soda is base, vinegar is the acid. Both are react to neutralize each other. 35 is completed. Now we will 36. This is Vaishnavi terms. Olfactory indicator are used to detect acid and base. B, ensure the participation of visually impaired student. C, both A and B. D, determine the strength of acid and base.
Option number C, both A and B.
Okay, yes, your answer is the right. Option number C is the correct one, and both A and B, because this is the olfactory method and detect the acid and base, and partially impaired visual this method is used. Next one to the Vaishnavi, your turn. No, this one. Which one of the following equation are correctly show dissociation of acetic acid in water? If you know, then you give the answer. If you do not know, then you can simply pass it. What is the answer of this question?
Option number E.
Option number E. No, this is the wrong answer. What is the right answer?
C.
Option number C. No, this is the also wrong answer. Right answer is the B. CH3COH H2O is react with the form of hydronium ion and the CH3COO minus. Both have -1. Next question goes to the Sachin. Which of the following salt will produce dirty green precipitate when treated with the sodium hydroxide solution? If you know, then you can give the answer. If you know, do not know, then you can simply pass it.
ऑप्शन नंबर ई।
Option number E. No, this is the wrong answer. What is the right answer of?
Sir, option number A.
No, this one is also wrong. Right answer is the FeSO4 is the which of the following salt will produce dirty green precipitate when treated with the sodium hydroxide, because Fe's color is the green, blue, copper color is the blue. Okay. Next one is the your turn. Which of the following statement is not correct about the physical properties of acid? Option is the acid taste sour. B. Mineral acid are corrosive in nature. C. Acid are weak electrolytes. D. Acid change the color of indicator. E. None of these.
Option number E, none of the above.
No, this one is the wrong answer. Your turn.
Option number C.
Okay, right. Yes, right answer. Acid are the weak electrolyte is the chemical properties, not a physical properties. Next question to your turn. Which of the following acid is a weak and does not ionize completely?
Option number D.
Yes, your answer is the right. Acetic acid is the weak acid which cannot ionize 100%. Next question to the Pammi. Which of the following acid is used in the precipitation of white vitriol?
Acidic acid. E.
No, this is the wrong answer. What is the right answer of Vaishnavi this question? Vaishnavi, your turn. What is the right answer of this question? Which of the following acid is used in the precipitation of white vitriol? If you know, then you give the answer. If you do not know, then you can simply pass it. Okay. Ujjain. What is the right?
ऑप्शन नंबर सी।
Okay, yes. Right answer is the option number C. Which of the following acid is used in the precipitation of white vitriol? C is the correct one. Next goes to the Vaishnavi. Which of the following method is used to prepare salt such as a sodium bisulfate? सर सचिन को 4 नंबर। हाँ ठीक है। Okay. What is the right option of A is the direct combination, simply B simple displacement, C decomposition by acid, and D neutralization, and E is the action of metal with alkali.
Option number E.
Option number is the wrong answer.
E.
Wrong. E, action of metal with alkali, na? No, this is the wrong answer.
Option number C.
Option number C, yes. Right answer is the decomposition by acid. This one is the right answer. And next हाँ, Ujjair. What is the right answer of this question? Molecules of which of the following acid will produce the highest number of hydronium ion? Here is the four option. A is the acetic acid, B is the sulfuric acid, C is the oxalic acid, and D is the phosphoric acid. E is the sulfurous acid.
Sir, pass.
Okay, what is the right answer of Sachin this question?
सर ऑप्शन नंबर डी.
Option number D. D is the right answer. Phosphoric acid is the right one. Okay. Next, for Sachin, your turn. Consider the following substance: A. Blue vitriol, B. Plaster of Paris, C. Potassium permanganate, D. Sugar. Which of the substance contain water of crystallization?
सर ऑप्शन नंबर डी.
Option number D. D and A. No, this is the wrong answer.
Option number A.
Option number A is the right answer. A and B. Okay. Next one. This question. Which of the following expression is the true for a solution with pH less than 7? Sachin का 1 minus होगा. हाँ. What is the right answer of this question?
Sir, option number B.
Yes, your answer is the right. B is the correct one. Okay. Next question for which of the following method of formation of salt involve the decomposition by acid? Option A is the Fe react with the Cl2 form the FeCl3. B. Zinc react with the H2SO4 zinc sulfate plus H2O. And C. Sodium bicarbonate is react with the HCl form NaCl, H2O and CO2. D. HCl and MgO and form the MgCl2 and H2O. E. Potassium hydroxide react with the zinc oxide K2ZnO2 plus H2O. Which one is the correct option?
Option number C.
Yes, your answer is the right. Option C is the correct. ठीक है? Okay. Next goes to the PUMMI. Consider the following salt. Which one of the following are mixed salt? Here is the 5 option in which this question A, B, C and D and E.
A and B.
A and B is the wrong answer. What is the right answer of this question?
Option number B.
Option number B also is the wrong answer. Right answer is the C and D. What is the mixed salt which are formed from the two salts? Okay. Next question to the Vaishnavi. Which of the following method is used for the preparation of insoluble hydroxide of metal? A. Action of water on metal. B. Action of water on soluble metallic oxide. C. Double decomposition. D. Action of oxygen on metal sulfide. Decomposition of salt.
Pass.
Okay. Ujjair. What is the right answer of this question?
Option number E.
No, this is the wrong answer.
ऑप्शन नंबर बी.
Yes. Action of water on soluble metallic salt is the right answer. B. Sachin. Next one to the Ujjair. Which of the following is the correct product of the reaction hydrochloric acid with the calcium carbonate? Option A is the calcium hydroxide plus H2O. B. Calcium chloride plus H2O plus CO2. C. CO2 plus H2O. D. CaCl2 plus H2O.
Option number D.
Option number?
D.
No, this is the wrong answer. Ujjair का -1.
ऑप्शन नंबर ए.
No, this is the wrong option. This is the right answer of the B, calcium chloride, H2 and CO2, because the calcium carbonate is the react. Next one for the Sachin. NaCl and H2O react, which is formed? NaOH Cl2 plus H2, NaOH HCl, C, NaOH plus H2, D, none of these.
ऑप्शन नंबर बी.
No, this is the wrong option.
Sir, option number 1.
Okay, right answer. Rashid has got a right answer. He got a 4 marks. Next one is the Rashid. Remedy of indigestion due to the excess acid is? मतलब ट्रीटमेंट के लिए कौन सा यूज किया जाता है जब आपके पेट में जो है एक्सेस एसिड हो जाता है तो?
Option number C.
Yes, right answer is the magnesium hydroxide. Rashid got a 4 marks. Your turn. Sadiki. Smell of clove cannot be characterized in A. Acidic medium, B. Basic medium, C. Neutral medium, D. Both A and B.
C. Neutral medium.
No, this is the wrong answer. What is the right answer for me?
Both B and C.
No, this.
Basic medium.
Yes, right answer is the basic medium.
लेकिन सर न्यूट्रल में भी तो हो सकता है.
नहीं, हम क्योंकि ये न्यूट्रल में तो वैसे ही भी रह सकता है, जो सब्सटेंस का स्मेल है वही रह जाता है. बेसिक मीडियम में जो है क्या हो जाता है, न्यूट्रल हो जाता है। सर इनको 4 मार्क्स दे दीजिएगा। हाँ, स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड हैव हायर पीएच वैल्यू, लोअर पीएच वैल्यू, पम्मी।
ए हायर पीएच वैल्यू होता है।
स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड हैव हायर पीएच वैल्यू, लोअर पीएच वैल्यू, न्यूट्रल पीएच वैल्यू, none of these.
Option number B.
Yes, right answer is the option number B. Pommy got a -1 marks and Vaishnavi got a 4 marks. Strong, it is just similar. Yeah. Okay. Next is the subjective question. I will repeat कर रहा हूँ वहीं से जहाँ से हमने शुरू किया था. First question for the Sadki Singh. Balance the chemical equation. And what is the coefficient of aluminium and O2? What is the total number of atom and both side of the equation after the balancing? अगर आप एक सही देते हैं तो आपको 0 मार्क्स मिलेंगे, दोनों सही देते हैं तो 4 मार्क्स मिलेंगे, और दोनों गलत देते हैं तो -1 मार्क्स मिलेंगे।
कब निकल रहा है? 2 को तुम ले नहीं खाती के लिए ये ना आज ना निकल रहा है। जीआईटी वाला है ये नहीं होता।
Sir, for Al there will be 4
Okay.
4Al plus 3O2
Okay.
and its product is equal to 2Al 2O3.
Okay. This one is the right, and B.
The total number of atom on both sides of the equation after balancing is 7.
Please count in both side, reactant as well as product side. How many atoms?
So for this equation or just I balance on them?
After the balancing, total atom is the what is the number of total atom, not molecules.
Ten and 10.
Okay, yes. Total is here is the 10 and here is the 10. 20 is the right answer. He got a 4 marks. Question number 2 is the Pummy. Identify the type of reaction in which the following reaction and provide the reasoning. Zn plus HCl is react with form ZnCl2 and H2. What type of reaction is this? What happened to zinc in this reaction? ये जो रिएक्शन है किस टाइप का रिएक्शन है, और जिंक जो है वो उसका क्या हो रहा है?
डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन है।
ओके,
एंड
यहाँ पे जिंक का मतलब कंसिडर बताना है कि ऑक्सीडेशन रिडक्शन के टर्म में कौन ऑक्सीडाइज्ड हो रहा है, एंड विच वन इज रिड्यूस्ड एंड विच वन इज द ऑक्सीडाइज्ड। इन दिस टर्म दिस क्वेश्चन विल बी आंसर. गिव द आंसर.
Zn is a reducing agent.
ओके, Zn इज द
Reducing agent.
ओके, ठीक. Yes, your answer is the right. He got a 4 marks, Pammi Patel. Next goes to the Vaishnavi. Write the balanced chemical equation for the following word equation. Sodium hydroxide react with the hydrochloric acid to form a sodium chloride and water. Option A, what is the product? Okay, Vaishnavi, this is your turn. Write the balanced chemical equation for the following equation. Sodium hydroxide react with the hydrochloric acid to form a sodium chloride and water. What is the product formed when NaOH react with the HCl, and what is the state of matter of sodium chloride? form in this reaction?
NaOH plus HCl will form NaCl plus H2O.
Okay.
The state of sodium chloride will be solid.
No, in this solution, इस सॉल्यूशन में सोडियम क्लोराइड का क्या होगा?
Means it is getting displaced.
नो, 0 मार्क्स इनको मिलेगा. एक्वस सॉल्यूशन, दिस इज द NaCl in medium is the aqueous medium. Next question for the classify the following reaction as a exothermic or endothermic and explain your reasoning. What is the significance of the term of heat in this equation? Why is this reaction classified as a exothermic?
A में A exothermic reaction
Heat is represented as a exothermic reaction. Okay.
because heat is released.
Okay, ठीक है. Next one. Why is the reaction classified as a exothermic?
Heat is released.
And what is the significance of the term of heat in this equation? 0 होगा. एक सही है, एक गलत है. 0. What is the significance of heat? क्या सिग्निफिकेंस है इस हीट का, मतलब इस रिएक्शन में? बेसिकली आपको बताना है कि
Heat release.
नो, दिस इज द नॉट राइट आंसर. 0 मार्क्स. 1 is the correct. It is the significance of this is the exothermic reaction. Heat is evolved. This is the exothermic reaction.
सर बोले तो थे
ये आपने नीचे का ना बोला.
ऊपर वाले में exothermic और नीचे वाले में heat is released.
नो, आपने सही नहीं बोला था. 0 मार्क्स मिलेंगे. नेक्स्ट सचिन, identify the oxidizing and reducing agent in the following reaction. Which element is reduced and which is oxidized? B. What is the role of H2 in this reaction?
सर Cu जो हुआ है रिड्यूस हुआ है और H2 जो है ऑक्सीडाइज हुआ है.
Cu
रिड्यूस हुआ है और H2 ऑक्सीडाइज हुआ है.
Cu जो है क्या हुआ है?
रिड्यूस.
Reduce.
और
No,
H2
this is the wrong answer. Always oxidized and reduced in the left hand side. Okay. हाँ. You can answer this one question. You have a second one option. Second one question. If you got right, then you will be got a 0 marks. If you this one is wrong, then you will deducted -1. What is the role of H2 in this reaction?
सर H2 सर यहाँ पे गैस का काम कर रहा है.
No, this is the wrong -1. Okay. Because I will explain this one, so I will not pass you.
-1.
हाँ, -1.
-2.
-1
-1.
और उजैर का भी -1.
नहीं सर, ये सचिन का ही टर्न था. Okay. H2 is here is the 0 and here is the +1. It means oxidation and reducing agent. It work as a H2 is the reducing agent. Next question goes to the 7. Your turn, Wajid. You are provided with a 4 colorless solution labeled A, B, C and D. When tested with the following indicator, the result are: identify the nature, acid, base, neutral according to this situation.
सर सॉल्यूशन ए जो लिटमस है वो एसिड से बेस हो रहा है.
Okay.
फिनोप्थिलीन में टर्न्स पिंक हो जा रहा है, यानी ये बेस है.
ये इधर साइड आपके पास सॉल्यूशन है. ये 4 मतलब जो है कंपाउंड आपको दिए हुए हैं. ये जो है अलग अलग आपके पास लिटमस पेपर दिए हुए हैं. इनका कलर जो है इधर साइड के अनुसार से आपको बताना है ABCD विच इज द एसिड बेस या फिर जो है न्यूट्रल है।
सॉल्यूशन ए बेस है।
नो, दिस वन इज द रॉन्ग आंसर।
कैसे बताना है
ये जैसे आपको मैं एक एग्जांपल के रूप में समझा देता हूं कि ए सॉल्यूशन है, यानी कि रेड से ब्लू हो रहा है। रेड से ब्लू कब होता है?
बेस होता है।
जब इसका जो नेचर होगा वो कैसा होगा? बेसिक नेचर हो जाएगा। ओके, उसके बाद जो है हमारे पास टर्न पिंक, यानी कि ये भी कैसा होगा?
बेसिक।
बेसिक हो जाएगा। और टर्न येलो, ये भी कैसा? ओके, नेक्स्ट वन बी आपको बताना है।
सी वाला बता रहे।
ओके
सी ब्लू टू रेड हो जा रहा है, यानी ये है एसिड।
ओके,
फिनोप्थलीन में कलरलेस है, यानी ये है न्यूट्रल। एसिड में भी होता है
नो, ये जो है सी जो है आपका क्या हो जाएगा? एसिड ही हो जाएगा।
एसिड। अच्छा।
ओके,
और मिथाइल ऑरेंज में जो रेड है वो एसिड।
हाँ, आप बी बताना। जैसे आपने ए बताया एसिड है, ए बताया बेस है, सी बताया आपने जो है एसिड है, उसी तरीके से बताना है बी एंड डी क्या है। जीरो मार्क्स सर, क्योंकि मैंने आपको ये हिंट दे दिया था, एक्सप्लेन कर दिया था। जीरो मार्क्स। मैं इसको एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ। ए इज द, व्हाट इज द ए? ए इज द बेस, सी इज द एसिड, नो चेंज इट मीन्स न्यूट्रल, एंड डी इज द रेड टू ब्लू मीन्स एसिडिक बट वीक एसिड, कलरलेस बिकॉज दिस इज द वीक एसिड, इट डिज नॉट कलर सोल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू सादकी। You have provided this one and give a possible chemical reaction. Actually this one question not relate for this according to this situation, but you can simply answer according to this one. You can read this question and give the answer. What is the right answer? Give a possible chemical reaction for each solution. Choose from HCl, NaOH, CH3COH and NaCl. आपको इस तरह से अरेंज करना है ताकि कि जो है पूरे का पूरा जो है सबका रिएक्शन का यूज हो सके। सादिकी का टर्न है। This question is not read from this passage paragraph. Simply you can read this one and give the answer.
A is base.
No. आपको ये नहीं बताना है कि A, B, C जो है, आपको ये क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है। ये क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि HCl, NaOH और एसिटिक एसिड को रिएक्ट करके NaCl, ये सीक्वेंस में अरेंज करना है ताकि कि सारे जो है आपका प्रोडक्ट भी बन जाए, रिएक्टेंट भी बन जाए। इस टेबल का आपको यूज नहीं करना है इसमें। इन जो आपके पास 5 कंपाउंड है, इन्हीं का यूज करके आपको एक रिएक्शन लिखनी है, यानी कि रिएक्टेंट साइड क्या होगा, प्रोडक्ट साइड क्या होगा। Actually this is the example of ABCD, but you can give the answer according to this one question. If you know, then give the answer, or not know, then you can pass it. What is the right answer this question of me?
एक बार और समझा दो।
आपको इस प्रकार से लिखना, जैसे मान लो A B C D है आपके पास 4 रिएक्शन, किस प्रकार से अरेंज करो कि रिएक्टेंट साइड कुछ कंपाउंड आ जाए और कुछ कंपाउंड जो है प्रोडक्ट साइड आ जाए, लेकिन एक इक्वेशन जो बननी चाहिए और वो बिल्कुल परफेक्ट इक्वेशन होनी चाहिए।
ये पूरा जो भी है मतलब
हाँ, ये पांचों कंपाउंड का यूज हो जाना चाहिए। ओके, वैष्णवी, उज्जैर,
सर सी में होगा HCl।
नो, आई विल, व्हाट इज द आंसर?
सर NaOH को HCl के साथ रिएक्ट करेंगे
हाँ,
तो NaCl बन जाएगा और
हाँ।
उसको फिर एसिटिक एसिड CH3COH के साथ रिएक्ट करेंगे।
नो, दिस वन इज द रॉन्ग आंसर।
सर NaCl फॉर्म करेगा ना उसके साथ।
Okay, yes, this one is the right, but see after the reaction not react with the CH3. I will give the right answer. HCl react with the NaOH in the presence of acetic acid and then form the NaCl. Okay, HCl plus NaOH in the arrow we can write down the CH3COH, then we will get a NaCl. Sachin को -1 marks. नेक्स्ट किनका टर्न है? पम्मी का। यू आर प्रोवाइडेड विद द 4 कलरलेस सॉल्यूशन लेवल्ड A, B, C, D and you can simply read this one and give the answer. Pammi, only read this one and give the answer.
Sir, when zinc is reacted with sulfuric acid,
Okay.
then it forms ZnSO4 plus H2.
Okay. Yes, your answer is the right. And which gas is produced?
Hydrogen.
Okay, ठीक है, right answer. Pammi got a 4 marks. Next question 4.1. If iron of this solution was formed by the reaction between a strong acid and a strong base, name the type of salt and the whether it is aqueous solution is acidic or basic or neutral. Pammi, Vaishnavi. आपको कह रहा है कि इफ वन ऑफ दिस सॉल्यूशन वाज फॉर्म्ड बाय द रिएक्शन बिटवीन स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड, यू हैव अ वन स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड, अनदर वन हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस, नेम द टाइप ऑफ साल्ट फॉर्म्ड। यानी कि जब आप एक स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड और एक बेस वीक एसिड को रिएक्शन कराते हैं तो किस टाइप का आपका साल्ट बनेगा, वेदर इट इज एक्वस सॉल्यूशन, इज एसिडिक, बेसिक और न्यूट्रल। जो प्रोडक्ट बनेगा उसका नेचर कैसा होगा, एसिडिक होगा, बेसिक होगा या न्यूट्रल होगा।
When strong acid react with
स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस,
when strong acid react with strong base, then it will form neutral salt.
okay, and what is the solution is the aqueous. Okay, right answer is the आपका जो है न्यूट्रल सब्सटेंस बन जाएगा इन aqueous medium. Okay, she got a 4 marks. Next, your turn. What is the formula of gypsum and green vitriol? Okay, what Sachin, right, what is the right answer?
सर जिप्सम का होगा CaSO4.2H2O
हाँ,
और ग्रीन विट्रोल इसमें पास।
ऐसे नहीं होगा। राइट आंसर इज 0 marks.
सर एक सेकंड,
रुकिए सर तो मैं इसका बताता हूँ।
Okay, give the answer, Sachin. The pH of solution of hydrochloric acid is 4. The molarity of the solution is. वाजिद को 4 दे दिए ना।
सर 10 to the power -4.
10 to the power -4. Yes, your answer is the right. Your turn. What is the pH value of human saliva, soft drink and vinegar?
Human saliva after eating या before eating?
You can give the both answer, yeah, simply which one is you know, you can simply give the answer.
Pass.
What is the right answer of this question of Pammi?
सर मतलब कि खाना खाने के बाद वाला
हाँ,
सवाल
अब जो भी आपको आता है, मतलब पहले वाला भी अगर जाता है या बाद वाला भी आता है, तो आप दोनों में से कोई भी एक।
7.4
ओके, सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक का
सर एसिडिक होता है तो 6 पॉइंट समथिंग।
ओके, नियर। ओके, विनेगर का
विनेगर भी एसिडिक होता है लेकिन हाली 5 या 4।
ओके, अप्रोक्सीमेटली 5.23 होता है। दिस वन इज द राइट आंसर, यू गॉट ऑफ 4 मार्क्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू द सादिकी। Balancing the chemical equation NH3O2 NO and H2O.
NH3
2NH3
plus 3O2
3O2
is equal to 2NO plus 3H2O.
2NH3
Yes.
okay
3O2
3O2
is equal to 2NO
2NO.
plus 3H2O.
No, this is the not right answer. Pammi.
सर बना रहे हैं।
6 2 3 और 2 5 ही हुआ ना। What is the right answer of this question, Pammi?
2NH3
No, this is the wrong answer.
नहीं NH3 plus
Okay.
टाइम
Your time is out. Both have -1 marks. This is the right answer. 4NH3, 5O2, and 4NO and 6H2O. This is the right answer. Next question. Give the idea of oxidizing and reducing agent if possible. वैष्णवी आपका टर्न है। और पम्मी, ओके, यू कैन गिव द आंसर। आपको बताना है कि इस क्वेश्चन में कौन ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट है, कौन रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट है, अगर पॉसिबल है तो।
HCl is oxidizing acid.
No. What is the right answer, Vaishnavi?
NaOH is reducing.
No, this is the wrong answer. This is not a redox reaction. So in which no one is oxidizing agent, no one is the reducing agent. Next, Vaishnavi, what is the formula of phosphoric acid and carbonic acid?
Formula of phosphoric acid is H2PO4 or formula of carbonic acid is H2CO3.
No, one is the right, one is the correct. Wrong. H3PO4 is the phosphoric acid and H2CO3 is the carbonic acid. Okay, 0 marks, sir. 5 uses of sodium bicarbonate. कोई भी आप 5 यूजेस बता सकते हैं जो सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट होता है उनका यूजेस। सचिन, व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर?
सर
हाँ तो आपसे पूछा था, आपने पास कर दिया ना।
it is used in textile industry for linen.
इट इज यूज्ड इन
Textile industry for linen.
सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट।
सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट यानी
नो, दिस वन इज नॉट यूज्ड इन द टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री।
अच्छा सर फिर से बोलते हैं। It is used in chemical industry.
ओके, नेक्स्ट वन।
And it is used in paper industry also.
ओके,
And its formula is NaHCl3.
नो यूजेस। नेक्स्ट यू कैन पम्मी।
फूड में यूज़ करते हैं
ओके
एंड इंडस्ट्रीज़ में
ओके
और प्रोडक्शन के लिए, और सर पेपर इंडस्ट्रीज़ में यूज़ करते हैं,
ओके।
और सर लाइनिंग करने के लिए क्लॉथ
No.
में। सर पढ़ाएं आप।
वो था सोडियम ब्लीचिंग पाउडर।
बस इतना ही।
सर किन्हीं को भी सबको जीरो कर दिया, कुछ आंसर दिए कुछ गलत दिया। आप सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट का यूज़ कहाँ पे करते हैं? एक तो बेकिंग सोडा में यूज़ करते हैं, ठीक है। दूसरा हम लोग जो कहाँ पे यूज़ करते हैं इसका जो है इसका टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री में यूज़ करते हैं, पेपर पल्प में यूज़ करते हैं, एंड सम बैटरीज में जो है इसका क्या किया जाता है, यूज़ किया जाता है। नेक्स्ट, ओके, दिस इज़ द टुडेज लास्ट क्वेश्चन। ओके, थैंक यू। ये जो आज का क्यूज़ हुआ, इसके हम लोग जो है परिणाम पे पहुंचते हैं, और इस परिणाम को मैं घोषित करने से पहले सभी स्टूडेंट को मैं एक बार धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा। उन्होंने काफ़ी अच्छा परफॉर्म किया और इन्होंने जो है काफ़ी अच्छे से जो है क्वेश्चन के आंसर को जवाब दिया। जो हमारे यहाँ के जो विनर हैं वो हैं राशिद अख्तर, जिन्होंने जो है राउंड 1 में 33 अचीव किया, राउंड 2 में जो है 4 मार्क्स अचीव किया, और जो टोटल मार्क्स है वो कितने हो गए? 37 मार्क्स। तो आज के जो क्विज के विनर है वो है राशिद अख्तर। मैं राशिद अख्तर को बुलाना चाहूँगा। ओके।